All right, it is time for some numbers, and I want you to be able to look at your screen, so make sure you're close enough. If you have a phone, I don't want you touching the screen, but if you are looking at this on a TV, I think your parents would be okay with you touching the TV, but let's make sure about that before we do it, okay? Ask mom and dad if it's okay to touch the TV or computer. We're going to look at all these numbers. I'm going to call out a number, and you are going to tell me where it is. You're going to listen very carefully to the full number before pointing. There's some other things that we're going to review right here down this side, so we'll do that in just a minute. But right here, we're going to look at our numbers. I want you to look for the number 43, and I want you to point to it. What number do you hear first? 43. You hear 4 and 3. Is it this one here? No. That's 63. Is it this one right here? No. That's 23. 43 is right here. 43. Now, did you get it right? Okay, if you did, put your thumb up. Good job. All right, we're going to replace this number with a new number. I bet some of you know what that number is just looking at it. All right, let's look. I want you to find the number 24. 20, 24. A 2 and a 4. I see a 2 and a 3. Do you see a 2 and a 4? Is your finger on it? Did you point to this one? If you did, put your thumb up. You did a good job. That's 24. Good job. Let's replace it with a new one. Now, I want you to point to the number 31. What do you hear first? 31. You heard the third. It's a 3. 31. 31. 3, 1. Point to it. Did you point to this? No. That's wrong. That's 35. I'm looking for 31. 31. Did you get it? Thumbs up. Good job. Let's put that one away. Let's get out another one. I see that one is a teen. We know it's a teen because teens have a what in front, children? Yes, they have a 1 in front. And that is a 1 in front on that card. So let's see. Can you find the 76? What do you hear first? 76. 76. You hear 7, 6. 76. Did you point to this one? Good job. Thumbs up. That's right. That is correct. Let's put a new one in its place. Now, before we get any farther on here, let's look over here at these. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 signs. 4 signs. That one's not really a sign, though. That is, but we know what that is. Everyone knows what that is all around the world. What is this sign here? We know this. That's right. It's the equal sign. Good job. What is this sign here? Good. That is the plus, or sometimes we call it addition sign. It's when we put two numbers together. What is this one here? That is the minus or subtraction sign. That means we're going to take something away from something else. And if it's chocolate, I don't like it. And this is a happy face. But with the happy face, I put another little symbol. What is that symbol right there? Do you know? We see it all the time in reading. It is a question mark. That little symbol is a question mark. It means you're asking a question like, do you have any chocolate? That's a good question I like to ask. Do you? All right. Let's check these out here. Let's look at all these numbers. And I want you to find the two numbers that have a 6 with them. Okay, I want you to point to the two numbers that have 6s in them. Okay, I want you to say their names. This one has a 6, and this one has a 6. What are their names? What's this one? Call it out. It has a 1 in front, so it's a teen. 16. 16. Did you do it? Thumbs up. Good job. What about this one? This one has a 6 in it as well. What number is it? 63. 63. Good job. Now we're going to replace those with some new numbers. Do you know that one? Do you know that one? Here we go. Where is the easy number 10? 10. That's easy. You should have gotten that real quick. 10. Now, I'm going to move 10. I'm going to put a new one in its place. Now, where is the number 25? 20, what do you hear first? Twa. That sounds like a 2 a little bit. 25. Now, there's 3 20s on this page. There's a 20 here, a 20 here, and a 20 here. But only one of them says 25. 25. Which one says 25? Yes, this one. What does this one say? 21. 21. What's this one say? 23. 23. So we're going to take all 3 of those away. Very good. And we're left with just 5. I bet you know this one real well. What's this one? Yeah, you knew that one, didn't you? That's the number 1. What about these 4? 4 little cards left. And what could they be? Well, we said this one was a teen. 18. And you should know this one pretty well. What's this one? 7. Yep. Oh, but not to be outdone by these two numbers. That one starts with a 4. If it starts with a 4, that means it's part of the 40s. 42. 42. 42. And this little fella is part of the 30s. 35. 35. 35. Good job. Well, that leaves us only with our little cards on the edge. There's a secret to these little cards. Would you like to see? I like surprises. What's underneath here? Is it a frog? Is it a toad? Is it a flea? Or maybe it's just a tiny person. Probably not. Let's look. What did you see? I'm going to peek again. What was it? I told you it was a flea. No. That's a nickel. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. Did you say it? Yay. All right. Addition. What's underneath the addition page? Maybe it's chocolate. Probably not. Did you see it? What was it? No, it wasn't a caterpillar. What could that be? What is that? It's a quarter. And how much is a quarter worth? That's right, 25 cents. Good job. Now let's get to our subtraction. What's under there? I know what is under there. I think maybe Stephen and Jonathan are hiding under that piece of paper. Do you think they are? Let's find out. Stephen, Jonathan. I saw something. Oh, I think it's a diamond ring. No, it's a dime. It's not Stephen and Jonathan at all. Oh dear. It's a dime. And how much is a dime worth, class? 10 cents. That's right. Good job. But we are not done. We have one more thing under here. You want to take a guess? If we've had a quarter and a dime and a nickel, surely we know what's under here, right? It is Ava and Sophia. They are hiding under this piece of paper. I keep telling them to stop hiding all the time, but they do it. Let's check and see. Ava, Sophia, are you under there? No, that is not Ava and Sophia. It looks nothing like them. That is a penny. Yay! How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. So we have reviewed our coins. We have reviewed equal, addition, subtraction, and a new little symbol called question mark. Means you're asking a question. All right. I'll come back with another video later. Good job on your numbers, but before we go, I'm going to put one more number out in front of you, and I want you to say as loud as you can what number this is. Good job. Did you say 30? You did a good job.